Ooh, I thought somebody left the water running and they did. This is the bathroom of the suite at the Four Queens. That looks pretty great. My dogs are barking, so I might have to take a look. No, probably not now. Someone asked what the name of the suite is at Fort Queens, and one of the people in charge says, our best suite. It looks pretty good. Many millions went into this renovation. Ow! There's a lawsuit. It's kidding. Everybody's so serious. Anyway, this is pretty big. And it adjoins, what do you call it? There's another big section of this room. Oh, I just walked into somebody's shop. That's what makes me cool. Self-awareness. Oh, there's the content creator for the city. She's doing a great job. I'll get a release from you later. So yeah. Fort Queens is looking fancy.